The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion, Wyandotte, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Upper Sandusky to 11 miles south of Prospect and moving east at 35 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Marion, Sycamore, Prospect, Morrill, Waldo. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows.
Inland northeast down in along the end of that front into Texas, but